Hey guys, I'm Shantae from naturalveganmama.com. Yes, naturalveganmama.com. There is a website. Definitely check it out when you get a chance, but we are all about showing you how easy this vegan lifestyle can be. This is the third video in my series of I Hate Cooking, and I really love sharing these videos with you guys. I'm so glad that I'm able to share this with you. This is the third video, as I said, the third meal, and this is all about delicious meals that you can share with your family, that your family will love, your kids will love, and it does not take hours in the kitchen or a lot of money or a lot of ingredients. So let's get started with this Italian chickpea family pasta dish. It's super delicious, so let's get started and let's keep it easy. You'll need 2 cups of fresh baby spinach, 1 yellow onion, 2 cups of tomato sauce, a half a can of chickpeas. Excuse me. I love using these organic chickpeas that I get from Publix, but use any chickpeas that you like. You're gonna need 2 cups of pasta, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of oregano, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and then also 1 teaspoon of pink Himalayan sea salt. And I'm also going to top it off with some nutritional yeast that's been enriched with B12, and then also a little parsley to garnish. Okay, so let's get this going. When you boil the 2 cups of pasta, it will actually yield about 3 cups, so just keep that in mind. And I'm gonna go ahead and add about a tablespoon of oil to the water and then stir it up. And then also I'll put a few sprinkles of sea salt. Now, once you cook the pasta to your desired tenderness, you can go ahead and pour that pasta into a strainer and then rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking. Now you're gonna add a little bit of oil or water to a pan, and then place your oven on medium high and add your onion, stir it, move it around, saute it, and then you're going to add your chickpeas. All right, you got your chickpeas in there. Now it's time to add the baby spinach and add all that good baby spinach in there. You know, spinach cooks down a lot, so even if you wanted to add a little bit more, it would be fine. Then go ahead and stir it around a little bit. You want to get it to your desired tenderness. And then it is time to add the sauce. So once you add your sauce, you're going to mix everything together. Get it nice and blended. And then you can add your cooked pasta. Once you add your cooked pasta, you're going to cover the pasta with the sauce that you created. Yes, you got a little bit of help if you used sauce in a jar, but you did your part too, adding all those extra ingredients in there. And now it's time to add all of your dry seasoning. So that's your garlic powder, your oregano, all of the things that we talked about earlier. Go ahead and add those in now. Those flavors will come bursting through, and you're making that sauce even better. All right, now I'm going to top it up with a little bit of nutritional yeast. And this nutritional yeast is fortified with B12, which is super important for vegans. And you know what? It adds a delicious cheesy flavor, so not mad about that. I'm going to go ahead and put as much as my heart desires. This is going to be so delicious. Now I'm going to also add a little bit of parsley to garnish. And yeah, look at that, guys. It looks so delicious. So easy to make. Your family will definitely like this. This is definitely one of those familiar recipes where when you give this to them, if you're the one that has decided to go vegan and you're serving this to them, it's not going to be something like too out of the ordinary where they're like, oh my gosh, what is this? It's very familiar. The chickpeas are going to add a nice amount of protein. You got some calcium in there with your leafy greens as well as iron. And you got that home style, Italian family dinner flavor going on. So this will definitely please anyone. Oh, how delicious does this look? Oh, it's so comforting, so tasty, very family friendly. Of course, my son loved it, so I'm about to go and enjoy this, and I will see you guys in the next video. Definitely subscribe if you like what you're seeing, and I'm also on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook if you want to check out what I'm doing over there at Natural Vegan Mama, and I will see you guys in the next video. Still here? I have a special giveaway coming up. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. I cannot believe I hit 6,000 subscribers. Thank you all so much. Details are coming soon.